2014 Razer Blade 15.6 protective sleeve. I had to return the first one, as in my previous video it had fit too loose, so here's the second order. Let's see if it fixes the problem. There it is again. 2.8, 2.6. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna be the same problem. Look how big it is. Oh, Razer. Looks like I gotta send this one back again. Just warning you guys, don't buy this specific sleeve from Razer for your new 15.6 laptop, as it's a default defect. I'm sorry. Look at that. Still moving as usual. You still got all that space, extra space here. Look at that. It should fit slim. It should fit perfectly, as the previous support told me. So I gotta return this guy. Look at that. Well, thanks for tuning in, guys. Just want to let you guys know, don't pick this up until they revise another model. So thanks for tuning in, guys.